Hello students, this is the first part of straight lines. Yeah, advanced type problems. Mains type problems completed now advanced type problems. So this is also first of all single answer type questions, multi-term type answer questions, paragraph type, matching type, and so on. So first of all I want to complete single answer type questions. For that, this is the first question, single answer type question. If the sum of the distances of a point from two perpendicular lines in a plane is 1, then the locus is dash. So for mathematical convenience, those two perpendicular lines is taken as x-axis and y-axis. Students, listen, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. Now you want to take a point on the plane, say this is the one of the points, say x comma y, its coordinates, so that the sum of the distance from the perpendicular lines, this distance plus this distance should be equal to 1. So what is this distance? Actually this is I can call mod y, I can call this is mod x. So let p equal to x comma y be a point on required locus, be a point on required locus. Okay students, what is given condition? Mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Just you people should remember that if mod x plus mod y is equal to 1, you say square on the coordinate plane. Means if you want to open modulus, several cases will arise. To open modulus, several cases will arise. One of the cases x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Another case is x lesser than or equal to 0, y lesser than or equal to 0. Another case x greater than or equal to 0, y lesser than or equal to 0. Another case x lesser than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. 4 cases will arise. In this case, the equation gives x plus y equal to 1. In this case, the line is given as minus x minus y equal to 1. In this case, the line gives what? X minus y equal to 1. In this case, the line is gives minus x plus y equal to 1. So we'll get 4 different linear equations. They will represent 4 different straight lines on the coordinate plane. One by one I will write x plus y equal to 1 line, x plus y is equal to minus 1 another line, x minus y is equal to 1 another line, or x minus y equal to minus 1 another line. So we'll get 4 different straight lines. These 4 different straight lines will represent a square on a plane. I will show you. Observe. Students, listen. Yeah, this is actually original y-axis, original x-axis. Yeah, students, listen. Yeah, x plus y equal to 1, this is the straight line. X plus y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 1, these two are parallel lines. This is the x plus y equal to minus 1 line. Next one is x minus y equal to 1 line and x minus y, these two are parallel. So one of them is this, another is this. Yeah, my diagram is not exact, but this line is x plus y equal to 1 line, this line is x plus y equal to minus 1 line. Students, okay, this line is x minus y equal to, what happened? Y should be negative, x positive. X positive means, yeah, x minus y equal to 1 line, this is x minus y equal to minus 1 line. So this is a parallelogram actually. First of all, this is a parallelogram. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. It may be square or a rhombus. According to option, directly I can say it is a square, because it won't become a circle, it won't become a straight line. To intersect is not correct. Directly I can say square. So sometimes 2 options are given, a square and rhombus. Now we want to decide. So every here the parallelogram is either square or rhombus. Now I want to decide. So what should do, we need to find this point. This point is 1 comma 0. This point is 0 comma 1. This is minus 1 comma 0. This is 0 comma minus 1. Just to find length of the diagonals. This is 2 units only. This is also 2 units only. Diagonals are equal in length. So it is a square. Okay. So what I can say that ABCD in this parallelogram. Actually, first of all, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. First of all, after that, diagonals are perpendicular. It may be rhombus or square. After that, diagonals are equal in length. So obviously it become a square. So what I can say, the figure so formed is square, or the locus of the point is a square. The required locus is a square. That should write at last. Yeah, next question, students, interesting question. OAB is an equilateral triangle of side 2 units and one of the vertex is at origin. If OA is inclined at 60 degree to the positive x-axis, then the midpoint of AB has coordinates. So super question, interesting question. So first of all, observe student, this is the this is the y-axis, this is x-axis. So I want to draw the triangle first. So this is the equilateral triangle. Student, this is the equilateral triangle. This is O, this is A, this is B. Okay, it's clearly given OA making an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis in the positive direction. So OA inclination is given 60 degree. Okay, so directly I can find the coordinates of A by using a symmetric form. We have already symmetric form. So what is that? What is A? And directly I can write x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. Here actually this is 0 comma 0. x1 means 0 comma 0. Directly I can say that 0 plus distance r means length of the each side is against 2 units. That's why I can say what I can say 2 cos 60 degree comma 0 plus 2 sin 60 degree. Students, directly like what I can say A equal to 1 comma root 3. So we got A. Now we want find B. To find B again you want know its inclination. Already is equilateral triangle. This is 60 degree. Already another 60. Total inclination of OB, I can say inclination of OB is 120 degree. 60 plus 60. Directly I can write B as 0 plus r 2 into cos 120. Okay students, comma 0 plus 2 into sin 120. Cos 120 value should find 120. Cos of 90 plus 30 minus sin 30 minus half minus 1. B equal to minus 1 comma. Here this is sin here. Sin means you will get cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. So this is B. So what is he asking? What are the coordinates of midpoint of AB? Just we got A and B. Directly you can find midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB I can write midpoint of equal to just 1 minus 1. Addition of these two, no, 0 by 2, 0. Next root 3. So what are the coordinates? 0 comma root 3. Okay students, my answer is 0 comma root 3, but no option is given. But I want to take 0 comma root 3 is the midpoint of AB. If your diagram is like this, obviously 0 comma root 3 is the answer, because here 60 degree, here also 60 degree, no. That's why AB should be parallel to x-axis. Okay, what is the meaning of that? Y coordinates of A and B are same. What I got correct? Root 3 and root 3. That's why what I can say, the midpoint of AB equal to 0 comma root 3. So next question. S1, S2 are the points on AB of a triangle ABC with vertices minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 6 and 1 comma 1. First of all, I want to draw the diagram for that. Students, listen. This is a triangle. Say ABC triangle. A vertex given as minus 2 comma 3. B is given as 4 comma minus 6. C is given as 1 comma. Students, listen. Nana. So CS1, CS2 divided. S1, S2 are the 2 points on AB. Here S1 and S2 are 2 points. Okay. CS1 and CS2, students, divide the triangle into 3 triangles of equal area. Means area of this triangle equal area of this triangle equal to area of this triangle. Okay. The equation of the line through the origin drawn parallel to CS1 and CS2. For example, this is the origin 0 comma 0. Through this you can draw one line parallel to CS1, another line parallel to CS2. We want find combined equation of these two straight lines. for that you need to find S1 S2 coordinate, students. Okay, so what happened here? So these three are equal area. For example, take triangle CAS1. In this triangle S1, divide, or CS1 dividing triangle to equal area means CS1 becomes median of the triangle. Then I can say the S1 is the midpoint of AS2. Similarly, S2 is the midpoint of S1B. Okay, so in triangle CAS2, CS1 is median. Already you know the median divided the triangle into triangles of equal area. That's why this is the median. Means AS1 equal to S1S2. AS1 equal to S1S2. Student, one thing. In triangle CS1B, CS2 is median. CS2 is median. Because the median divides the triangle into triangles of equal area. So then what I can say is S1 S2 equal to S2B. So this is one result. Second result, from that what I can say, S1 S2 are the point of trisectors. Therefore from 1 and 2, AS1 equal to S1 S2 equal to S2B. What is the meaning of that? They are point of trisectors. So that is S1 comma S2 are point of trisectors. Means what happened? Directly you can find S1 coordinates and S2 coordinates. To find S1, observe students, I want to draw a separate diagram. Here A, here S1, here B. B is what done here? 4 comma minus 6. Yeah, A is minus 2 comma 3. So what ratio? 1:2, because they are point of trisectors. Directly I wanted S1 here, students. S1 equal mx2. mx2 means 4 plus nx1. nx1 means minus 4 by 1 plus 2 comma my2 minus 6 plus 3 to the 6 by 1 plus 2, that is equal 0 comma 0. So what happened, Nana? S1 what I got? 0 comma 0. So now we want to find S2, Nana, here. So this is A, this is B. B is 4 comma minus 6. A is minus 2 comma 3. Somewhere S2. Divide AB internally, that's 2:1. Then S2 equal to mx2. mx2 means 4 2s are 8 minus 2 by 2 plus 1 comma my2, that is minus 12 plus 3 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6 by 3 comma minus 9 by 3. So that is equal to 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. These are the coordinates of S2. Okay, students. Now interesting thing is, listen students, CS1 CS2 divide the line segment. Okay, the equation of the line passing through origin drawn parallel to CS1 CS2. So through this point a line drawn, students listen, one of the line is parallel to CS2. For example, what is the one of them is parallel to CS2. So I can say this is parallel to CS2. Okay, another is parallel to CS1. Obviously S1 is 0 comma 0 means another line is indirectly CS1 only. Now you want to find combined equation of CS1 and a line parallel to CS2. Okay, first equation of CS1 should find none. Just that is passing through origin means that should have the form y equal mx. So it is enough to find its slope. Okay, slope of CS1 equal to 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. Therefore equation of CS1, that is equal to y equal to x. This is one of the required line. So I will write here y equal to x. So next what should do now? You want to find the equation of an line which is passing through origin and parallel to CS2. Just to passing through origin, that also in the form of y equal to mx. Just we need to find slope of CS2, that is the slope of the required line. So CS2 slope of, yeah, I don't want CS2, no, equation of a line parallel to CS2, that is correct. First of all, I will find slope of CS2 equal to 1 plus 3 by 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 4. Equation of line passing through passing 0, 0 and having slope minus 1, because it is also passing through or in parallel to CS2 only, no? That's directly I can say the y equal mx, y equal to minus 4x. This is another straight line. So you want to find combined equation, just we want to multiply those two, what we will get, that is a combined equation of those two straight lines. Okay, yeah, the required equation is y minus x into y plus 4x equal to 0, or y square plus 4xy minus xy minus 4x square equal to 0, or y square plus 3xy minus 4x square equal to 0. This is the required straight line, combined equation of straight lines, no? Pair of straight lines I can say. Now you want to see the option y square plus 3x. Okay, so third option is correct for this problem. Okay. Okay students, next problem, fifth problem. The locus of a point that is equidistant from two lines. Listen students, two lines are given. Observe, Nana, these two are parallel lines. See, x plus y, that differ by only constant. Means two parallel lines are given. We want find out a locus of a point which is equidistant from two parallel lines, means another line in between them which is equidistant between these two. Already you know that locus of a point which is equidistant from two parallel lines is another parallel line between given two parallel lines. Okay, this is the required straight line. So what are the distance, Nana? This distance, and this distance equal to same. So this is d, this is d. So 2d is nothing but distance between two given parallel lines. Such a way that you want to find the equation of the line. Students, listen. One of the line is x plus y minus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Another line is x plus y minus root 2 equal to 0. The required line also in the form of x plus y plus k equal to 0 only, because all are three parallel lines. Just we want to find k value now. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. So I want the actual diagram. This is one of the straight line. This is another straight line. So this is a required straight line, students. Yeah, my diagram is not correct. Okay, this is the required straight line. Students, this distance should be equal to this distance. Okay, so what is this? X plus y minus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Another one is x plus y minus root 2 equal to 0. Automatically this is x plus y plus k equal to 0. I can say the required equation is x plus r. Let the required equation be what I can say, b, yeah, x plus y plus k equal to 0. This is result number 1. First of all, you want to find distance between given straight lines. Distance between given straight lines, that is mod c2 minus c1 by root over a square plus b square. So mod c2 minus c1, that is root 2 minus root 2 plus 2 root 2 by root over 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2 by root 2, that is equal to 1 unit total, d1 plus d2, that is d plus d equal to 1 and 2d equal to 1, d equal to half. Okay, by using this d equal to half, I can find k value. I will write what is that? The line x plus y plus k equal to 0 is of units from x plus y minus root 3 equal to 0 or x plus y minus 2 root 2 also 0, both are same. That is k plus root 2 distance by root over 2 should be equal to half. Okay students, or another words I can say that mod k plus root 2 equal to root 2 by 2. So k plus root 2 equal to 1 by root 2 mod. Okay, or just you want to find k value, Nana. Okay, so one of the k plus root 2 equal to 1 by root 2, another k plus root 2 is minus 1 by root 2. We will find both, and after that we will decide which is correct one. Okay, so root 2k plus 2 equal to 1, root 2k, sorry, what I wrote wrong here, just we want to write root 2k now. Root 2k equal to minus 1, k equal to minus 1 by root 2. This is one of the k value. Here root 2k plus 2 equal to minus 1, root 2k equal to minus 3, or k equal to minus 3 by root 2. Here, actually here you get unique line, and unique line won't get 2 because only one line between these two that satisfy. Means single answer type question, we need to find which value will satisfy, either 1 by root 2 or 3 by root 2. That should identify, that should be verified. So I will write possible k value is minus 1 by root 2 or minus 3 by root 2. Okay students, yeah, if k is equal to minus 1 by root 2, what happened to the equation? I will write x plus y minus 1 by root 2 equal to 0, or x plus y minus, I can rationalize this, nana, root 2 by root 2 means what happened, 3 root 2 by 2 equal to 0. What I can say here, x plus y minus 1 by root 2, another words I can write, that also here also I can rationalize. So what we will get, I will write down here also, root 2 multiplied root 2 divided 2x plus 2y minus root 2 equal to 0, or 2x plus 2y minus 3 root 2 equal to 0. Now we want to decide which is the required straight line. So I think 2 won't be, nana, because only one unique line exists between these two. Okay, according to option this is correct, according to option this is correct, but how can you rule out this equation? That is important thing. See here, x plus y, 2x plus y, this equation not given, even though we can rule out. How? Take any point on this line, nana, take any point on this line, the point should be in between these two straight lines. We have the formula, no? If a point is given, how to decide that point is either side of the line or same side of the line. By using inequality concept, you can decide that point is either side, inside the x plus y minus root 2 equal 0 and x plus y minus root 2 equal 0. Let the coordinates of the 2 points A and B are 1, 2 and 7, 5 respectively. The line AB is rotated through an angle of 45 degree in anti-clockwise direction about the point of trisection of AB, which is nearer to B. Then the equation of the new line. Okay, interesting problem, students. Listen. For example, this is the line segment AB, nana. P and Q are point of trisectors. So what the problem saying that through Q the line is rotated through an angle of 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Now we want to find equation of the line L, I can say, red colored line. How to find? Yeah, that directly can find coordinates of Q, nana. You can find slope of AB. Let slope of L is M. Using angle between the two lines concept, you can find that M. Okay. Yeah, first of all, I want to find Q. So Q is nearer to be 2:1. We are dividing 2:1. I will write, students, here A, that is 1, 2, and B is 7, 5. Here Q 2:1 ratio. Directly I want to find Q. q equal mx2, that is 7 2s are 14 plus 1 by 3, comma my2, that is 10 plus 2 by 3, so 15 5, comma that is 4. Obviously q is equal to 5 comma 4. So what happened, you can find slope of AB equal to m1 equal to, what is that, 5 minus 2 by 7 minus 1, that is equal 3 by 6, that is equal 1 by 2. Slope of AB equal 1 by 2. Okay, next slope of L equal to m2, you could just take it as m. So by using the angle between the concept 1 by 2 m, should remember, tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2, that is tan 45, 1 equal to m1 is 1 by 2 minus m by 1 plus m by 2. Okay students, so what happened here, 1 equal to 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m with modulus. Okay, so here you get two m values. After that we will decide which m is the required one. Okay, 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m equal to 1, or 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m equal to minus 1. Students, so what happened here, 1 minus 2m equal to 2 plus m, or 1 minus 2m equal to minus 2 minus m. Okay, 3m equal to minus 1, or m equal to minus 1 by 3. One of the m value equal to minus 1 by 3. So here what happened, students, listen Nana. So 3 equal to m, another m value is equal to 3. What happened, those two are perpendicular lines will get. One of the line is having slope 1 by 3, 7 by 3, another is 3. Okay, now equation of a line passing through 5 comma 6, passing through 5 comma 4 and having slope 3. Y minus 4 equal to 3 times of x minus 5. Y minus 4 equal to 3x minus 15, or 3x minus y minus 11 equal to 0. This is the one of the required straight line. 3x minus y minus 11 equal 0, this here only. Okay, so this is the answer for the problem. So if you take minus 1 by 3, another line will that is perpendicular to that, that y, x minus x plus 3y should form, x plus 3y not there, that's why this is the one of the required line. One more line also exists, Nana. What is that line? With slope minus 1 by 3. So I will find that also, that is not a big problem for me. So students listen, that is minus 1 by 3 into x minus 5. So 3y minus 12 equal to minus x plus 5, or x plus 3y minus 17 equal to 0. This also will satisfy, Nana, but such line is not given here. So directly I can say that 3 is the correct answer for the problem. Okay. Next problem, 7th problem. The length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line is 7, and line making an angle of 150 degree with the positive direction of y-axis. Then the equation of the line. Interesting problem, students. Super problem, students. I want to draw the diagram first of all. Say this is y-axis. So this is x-axis. So actually this is the required line, students. So what is given information I wanted? This is given as, 1 minute. So this angle is given as 150 degree, and from origin a perpendicular is dropped on the line. Its length is 7. let it be L. Now we want to find equation of L. Actually the distance from origin to a line is given, means length of the normal is given, means you want to use normal angle concept, normal equation concept. Let it be theta. Equation of L, what let equation of L be what an x cos alpha, x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to p. Leave it. Already p is given as 7. Just you want to find theta. Observe students, here important thing is, yeah, this is 150, this is 30, this is 30, this is 90, this is 60. This 60 means obviously theta should be 30 degree only. Theta equal to 30 degree. So substitute that, then we will get the equation of the straight line. So 1 becomes nana x into cos 30 plus y into sin 30 equal to 7. So x into root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 equal to 7, or root 3x plus y equal to 14. This is the equation of the straight line. Okay, so root 3x plus y equal to 14 is the equation of the straight line. Where is that root 3x plus? Okay, I can say 1 is the correct answer for this problem.